Hello everyone, Linda here. How are you all on this Wednesday afternoon? I just thought I'd come in and say hello. I'm doing a bit of scrapbooking. I'm getting this week's page ready for the weekly sketch newsletter that goes out on Friday. So I've just been working on it, and I've got a little tip to share with you. Just wanted to see how you were all going. And whether you're crafting. If you are, stick a picture in the comments. I'd love to see what you're up to. So I'm making a page up using the sketch that I send out each Friday. If you're not getting it yet, have a look in the comments. I'll post a link in afterwards. It's a free sketch that comes out on a Friday morning to help you, give you inspiration, something to work from. I find them really useful if I've got a bit of a block about what I want to do. So I'm doing this week's sketch. I'm doing a page example to go with the sketch, and this one is using chipboard letters. There you go. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around. I'm not going to show you the whole of my page. You're going to have to wait till Friday for that one. So if you're not on the newsletter, there's a bit of an advert. If you're not on the newsletter, sign up so that you can see my page. Let me turn the camera around. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. So last week I talked to you about colouring in the chipboard letters, which I'm doing again for this one. But when I put them on the paper, they disappeared a little bit into the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to map them onto this plain piece of paper. I'm going to stick them on there, and then I'm going to cut that out and put that on my page. Oh, and there's another tip for you. If you're having trouble lining up sticky letters or chipboard letters, if it's just, honestly, it can take for ages. The best thing to do is to make them purposely wonky. So you won't find many of my titles that actually have straight lines. I much prefer to have them a little bit, the eye needs adjusting, but a little bit wonky, purposefully wonky. And then you don't have to worry about one being a millimetre out of line or whatever. It just makes it a lot easier. Crafting's meant to be fun, right? We don't want to spend hours trying to line things up. So there you go. So that's today's tip. I should have just added that the kit I'm using is this month's scrapbox kit, which is also available from my website. You can buy a one-off, or you can save money and save the postage by doing a monthly subscription with me. So if you want to head over there and have a look, you can have a nosy around some of the old ones. There are some of the previous months have still got kits available, so you can order one and see what it's like if you want to order a one-off just to try it out. So I'm just going to enjoy. We've actually got a really nice autumn afternoon here. I shall show you. The leaves are coming down. There you go. That's the view out of my craft room window. The leaves are coming off the trees very much now, but it's a bright sunny day. It's a bit chilly, and it has been raining. That's the weather forecast over for today. So I'm going to get on, and I hope to see you all very soon. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.